So this is our Rube Goldberg project. It's me, Lydia, Knecht, and Lauren Adams, and Skipper, the dog. Okay, so step one. First we have these dominoes, and they're sitting there full of inertia. They can't go anywhere because they're in motion. They're not in motion. They're in rest. So to overcome that inertia, Skipper is gonna eat a treat that's strategically placed next to one of these dominoes, which is gonna knock one of them over, which will then knock the other marbles over, which will also hit this marble here. That marble right now has potential energy, but when the domino hits it, it'll convert it into kinetic energy, and then that kinetic energy will propel it down this track, bringing it all the way down here to more marbles. Not marbles, dominoes. These dominoes also have inertia, so when the marble strikes these dominoes, it'll fall over, overcoming that inertia. Then these dominoes continue falling until it hits this book domino thing. Very good book, by the way. Attach this string, which is connected to this here glue stick for a hot glue gun. So when that book falls, it's going to pull that out, overcoming inertia and whatnot, which is also holding up this binder, which has this water bottle here. This water bottle also has potential energy. When this glue stick falls, it's going to go flop, and this is going to get converted into kinetic energy, making this fall over. Just quickly set that back up. Okay, actually, alright. So, the water bottle is going to fall, and it's going to hit this cabinet cover that came off a long time ago. And it'll fling up, and it'll pull on that lightsaber. And that pulling is going to make it come this way, except we also have this tape here that stops it from really going anywhere. So it's going to like skirt a little bit, but it's going to stop. And it'll hit the eject button on this DVD player, which will cause the DVD player to put the little CD case thing back into itself, pulling on this here water bottle. It's also actually kind of connected to this funnel, right? Kind of acting as a pulley, kind of just to change the motion of the pulling. It's going to pull this water bottle, overcoming that inertia. We also kind of tie it to the top so it can pull over from the center of gravity better. It's going to pour some water in there using gravity and whatnot. It's going to push this little boat, Ziploc boat thing that we got. It's going to overcome that inertia and that force of friction. It's going to push it into here. Again, with the dominoes, it's going to overcome the inertia of the dominoes, knock over those dominoes. Finally hitting our little trap here for our diver. It's going to flip like that. And since that's just barely resting on it, it's going to knock it a little bit enough to where it falls down. And if it worked right, it would have looked like that.
And that is also another case of potential energy converted into kinetic energy.
Of course.
How do you feel, Sam?
Terrible. Take 12.
Take 12.